Hey family, it's Alysha Wood Survivor here. Come cook dinner with me. Tonight we're making soup, just whatever I'm able to make out of this food bank budget. Because since I'm on disability, I am covered by the food bank. So when I'm running low on food during the month, because I only get paid every month, and sometimes I do need extra food here and there, or tampons, or just products during the month, and the food bank really does come in clutch. This is what I'm able to get at the food bank. It really does help me with feminine products during the month, and household products, because I am currently living on my own, age 23, finally free from my ex-family member. Because they're all child predators, pedophiles, and child predator protectors, and pedophile protectors, and animal abusers, and animal abuser protectors, and child neglect and child abuse protectors. And the food bank really does help me out because I'm paying for hydro, rent, also groceries, and just everyday items such as cleaning products really does cost a lot. So sometimes the food bank really does help me throughout the month with food and just household products, because I am covered on that because I am disabled with 2 disabilities. I just want to show you guys that you can make food out of the smallest resources. You don't need much to make a meal, and also spreading awareness about that. I finally feel free after 23 years of feeling like I was trapped, being trapped, being brainwashed and exploited my whole life, constantly being harassed, being put down for speaking my truth online from family members, being tormented about my past, made to feel like my whole life that I wasn't disabled, made me feel like I was weird, not normal, crazy. From how me and Josie Galvez, the relationship was, how normalized Marianne Marie Morley and Josie Galvez made the sexual assault, grooming, how child neglect, child abuse was normalized also in my family. Being around junks and druggies my whole life, also. Growing up feeling like my only purpose in life was Josie Galvez, and what he was doing to me was normal, was okay. The constant sexual assault every day, every night, frequently, consistently. How I got bullied for smelling, wearing unfit clothes, not having proper meals, being always hungry. After 23 years, I'm free after feeling and being trapped.